You open any social media app and there it goes. AI will replace developers. Stop learning to code, you'll be replaced. And again, a new Claude model that can code the next Facebook, all while making you scrambled eggs and cleaning your house. But wait a minute. Is that actually true? Will developers really get replaced by AI? When it comes to AI, there's a lot of confusion about what it actually is. AI, which stands for Artificial Intelligence, isn't actually intelligent. At its core, AI is just a prediction machine. It simply predicts the next word in a sequence based on the data it already knows. To do this, it relies on a context window, and that window has its limits. You've probably noticed that if you talk to Claude or ChatGPT in the same chat for too long, it starts to lose its mind and make up completely non-existent stuff. Modern projects are massive. They have dozens of microservices, complex infrastructure, and years of history. And AI simply cannot understand or remember all of this mess because its context window doesn't have the capacity for it. It has to be guided by a human who actually understands the big picture and can stop the AI when it starts having dementia. That being said, AI does a great job at solving simple to medium tasks. It can implement a feature in 1 minute that would take a junior developer 3 days. And yes, that sounds scary. But fortunately for us, it just means the barrier to entry for junior developers is getting higher. 5 years ago, you could get a junior job just by knowing how to change a button's color. Today, you actually have to understand complex architectural topics and provide real value. Juniors are still needed, we just have a completely different definition of what a junior is. Now imagine 10 years go by. Companies stop hiring new developers and completely rely on their existing seniors. Suddenly, those seniors grow old and retire. No problem, right? Just hire new ones. But from where if nobody hired or trained any juniors for 10 years? You see the loop? If companies replace entry-level devs with AI, they destroy the talent pool of the future. Their complex systems would end up entirely supervised by AI, which, as we just discussed, cannot handle massive interconnected architectures on its own. That is a great plan for absolute catastrophe. In my opinion, developers shouldn't fight AI, they should embrace it. It's a sharp tool in the shed and it's here to stay. And instead of hating it, you should start using it in your daily workflow. For example, think about pull requests. You probably spend ages reading through massive diffs, trying to decipher the logic while praying you didn't miss a critical bug. It's mentally draining, and let's be honest, we all miss things when we're just staring at raw lines of code. This is exactly where CodeRabbit comes in, the sponsor of today's video. Think of it as a senior pair programmer that never slips. It automatically analyzes the code, maps out the system logic, and flags potential bugs or architectural issues before you even hit approve. It gives you a clean, high-level summary of what's actually changing and even draws flow diagrams so you don't have to play detective on a 500-line diff. If you want to stop blindly rubber stamping PRs and start catching bugs before they hit production, check out CodeRabbit at the link in the description below.